No crying. Annabelle's first cereal. 6 months old. What do you think, Miss Annabelle? Is that good? Not too bad.
Ready? Annabelle.
Open wide. Big girl. I get Megan's hand, but I don't get Annabelle's
Now
hand.
you gotta come over here.
Who likes it?
What do you think?
Can you like it?
Is that good?
Is that good?
She goes,
Open.
oh, it's like a bird.
She's a pro at this.
You're a natural.
She's like, I've been watching my mommy and my daddy eat for a long time. I know what to do. So cute. You like it? I think she likes it.
She's wearing half of it, but
Hey,
Yeah, you can scoop it under her chin too.
yeah, no, you gotta get that off her chin.
Oh, that was a big amount. Meg, not so much. Just a little bit. She's a little.
She likes it.
She does.
You like it, honey.
What are you trying to do? Oh, you want to switch with me?
No, you're good.
I can turn mine off now because I think I've got enough to send home. I don't know how to send it home. How can I send it to Mike?
Oh, good job.
I thought we had a smaller spoon.